Hello, I'm Piyush Dave, a fintech professional. Today we are going to discuss a algo technique which is based on Bayesian Trend Predictor. This method is going to tell us whether the market is on the up moving, whether it is on a down moving, or it is a flat. So we are going to find out the trend, and that too the prediction of the trend from the price action. First part. Instead of using the moving average or the volume filter, this is the best technique to find out the trend of the market. So first, what we are going to do, we are going to understand the mathematics behind it. Then I'm going to show you the actual simulation of Bayesian trend predictor using the actual simulation environment. We are going to create the difficult environment in the simulation, and we are going to check how the Bayesian trend predictor is work. So first part is it work with the logic of finding out whether the market is moving up, down, or the market statement is a flat statement. First part, it does not depend on any moving average, RSI or MACD kind of indicators. It works with a pure mathematical logic, pure statistical logic. It is not biased with volume, the order book, the volatility spike. It works with the logic of pure statistical operation. It produces the probability, and based on that, we are going to find out whether it is up movement, down movement, or the flat movement. Now here we are going to use two type of uh, different values. The first is called mu, and the second one is called sigma. And the mu and sigma is fixed. So you need to note down this. The mu for the up movement is 0.001. For the flat it is 0, and for the down it is minus 0.001. For sigma, for the up it is 0.002, flat 0.008, and for the down it is 0.002. We have considered that there is a possibility that either is a up move, down move, or flat move. So the probability of up move is 1 by 3, the flat move is 1 by 3, and the down move is 1 by 3. So that is basically the probability. So what we are going to do, first we are going to find out the delta. We need to calculate this likelihood calculation for three different values. So the mu and the sigma is going to change. If you're calculating it for up movement, it is this value. For the down movement, the different value. And for the flat movement, it is a different value. So we are going to get three different L. And now this delta is basically called as the previous price and the current price. Previous price minus current price upon the previous price. Sorry, current price. So that is a delta, and then we are going to find out the likelihood. Now you might be get confused with the formula which I am showing you on the screen. So I have a better solution for this. I have created one GUI where we are going to put the values, and it is going to predict for us whether it is a flat or a up movement or a down movement. So first let me tell you what is the basic theory. It is a trend predictor. It works on a statistic. It works on a Bayes theorem. It does not require any indicator. It does not depend on any volume or a volume spike, volatility. It is a pure mathematics, and it is going to calculate using this formula. Okay, now let me show you this in actual GUI. So this is our formula. This is our formula. So first is delta. You can see on the screen. The second one is the likelihood calculation, which we have seen in the PDF. And now there is a normalized posterior and unnormalized posterior. So we are going to understand what is the exact meaning of this. Now let me show you what is happening with the price. First, suppose the price is 102, then it become 101, then 100. Again 104, then 103, then 100, then 105, then 102 and 100. So that means if you see all three sets, the price is decreasing. And now we are going to calculate everything over here for the flat market, for the up movement and for the down movement. You can check out this calculation number 1. So this is a calculation for set number 1. It put all the value first for the up movement. So the sigma is taken for up movement. You can see here the sigma for the up movement. Then we have the mu for the sigma for the up movement, then mu for the up movement. So mu for the up movement you can check out over here. Mu for the up movement is 0.02, and it is going to put all this value here, and it first calculate the value of L for the up. Then it is going to calculate the value of L for the flat. Then it is going to calculate the value of L for the down. Now it comes to a posterior formula. So it's basically L into prior L divided by summation of L into prior L. What is the exact meaning of this? So we are going to just multiply. The logic is we are just going to multiply the value which we have got over here with the probability. So we just multiply. So up value we are going to get this, the numerator part. This is the for the flat movement and this is for the down movement. So if you check the denominator is L multiplied by the prior value. So L multiplied by the prior value. So we get the denominator. So for the up, down and the flat movement, you can see down one posterior value is coming higher than the flat movement and the up movement. Similarly, we are going to do the calculation for the second one. And here also you can check the posterior down value is coming higher than the actual value. In the third also, we are going to get the down movement value higher than the up movement and the flat movement. Now let me change this to something else. So let's check this. This is suppose 100. This is 104. This is suppose 100. This is 106. This is 100, 102 and 105. So now the price is moving up. When I calculate this, you'd wonder to know. Now it is giving the highest value to up. Highest value to up. You can see the highest value to up. Now let me create the flat market. So 100, 100. All value will be 100 now. So the market is completely flat. Now let's recalculate this. You can check out this. So the highest value which is coming to the flat. Here also highest value coming to the flat. Similarly, highest value coming to the flat. So market is flat. So it predict very nicely whether the market is moving up, down or a flat movement. Now let me show you this in actual simulation environment. So first part is I am going to create first the light environment where the price is going to move a very small fraction of the way. So let me create this first. So the price is moving randomly, but with very small drift. There's no news in the market. It's going to change randomly up or down. Now let me start my algo. Now algo is going to read this price and predict whether it is up movement, down movement or the flat movement. So let me close this. So now we have the two part running up. So the market is moving up. You can see here it's showing long position. So market is moving up. It has predicted the signal is going up. The signal is going up. You can check out this. The probability for the long is almost more than 6%. Okay, now the probability is for the short. The market is moving down. You can see it just predicted. It predict the trend very fast. Okay, now the market is saying none. Okay, and now again the short position. It says it is going to take a short position. See how beautiful it is working. It is going down, short position, none. Okay, it again come to the long position. So it predict the movement. It predict the delta. and it mapped whether it is going to up move or down move. You can check out. I have no control over the price. I have only control over my algo. So algo is continuously checking. Even a small change in the price, if it move down, it does not change the prediction. You can see the prices move down, but it does not change the prediction in just one or two flick. So it says, okay, go for the long. You can see the price is still moving up. It says go long. Okay. The price has come down. Still it is saying long because it has predicted something else. Okay. The prediction is still on the long side. You can see the prices flicker to down value. Still the signal is still on the upside because it does not calculate only from one flick. I already told you small volatility does not change much in the prediction. So you can see there's a small flick has come over here. Still it is saying go long. So that means it is predicting very beautifully, and you can see the market is coming up. I have no control over this. I have only control over this. So now my prediction is working so beautifully that even if the small flick on the downside, it does not change the prediction. It is still saying go for the long. And you can see from the small flick, it has come to the highest value. The price is moving up. My signal is still up, up, up. So it predicts so beautifully. You'd wonder to know this is a magic happening on the screen. Kind of a magic happening on the screen. The price is moving up. It has flicked down, but still my prediction algo says it is going to go up. Again, the prices move down. It has not changed yet the signal. The signal is still on the long side. Still on the long side. Okay, the price is moving. The price has moved from 1023 to 1008. Still, the signal is upside because the small change in the price does not change the total trend. The total trend of the market is still on a long side. Okay, now this is a very smooth movement which is happening in the market. So the prediction algo works beautifully, but we are going to change. You can see it has went down, but still again the new high has come into the market. You can see my algo is still predicting it is going to go up side only. The small change in the price does not change the actual trend of the market. So the actual trend of the market is still on the upside. The actual trend of the market is still on the upside. It works beautifully. Still, it's saying go for a long. Now let me create the environment where the actual long, or we are going to challenge the price action kind with the news flow. Okay, let me see. Still the trend is still up. The trend is still up. It says okay, it is going to come up only. The prices come down, very much down. Still it's predicting a long. Let's see whether it is changing a trend or not. Still the trend is long. On 994 also it's saying okay, now the signal is none. It says okay. Okay, now again the signal has changed to long. Let's check. Okay, now it's none. So it's saying okay, come out of the long. Market is not predicting. Okay, go for a short. It says go for a short. So now it is break down some certain values. So it says go for a short at 991. So now the trend has changed. So first from the long, it has come to the none. Now short. Now it's again saying none. Okay, none. It is because the market has become very much flat. Okay, now it's again changed to the long position. Okay, at 994 it changed to the long position. Okay, the market is what we can say, uh, range bound. It's not trending. You can see very beautifully it predict. That says okay, go for a long. Its prediction is long. So 999, the price is on a long side. Let's check whether it is going to go up. Yes, it's going up. Market is going up. You can see, you can check out this. The price is moving up. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's create a difficult environment for Algo. It's a very simple environment. So let's create a difficult environment. Let me just delete the file which is it has created as a log file. So this is the file which is created. Now what I have done, I have created a news which is going to flow like good news, bad news, okay, neutral news. So now it is going to create some news automatically in every 10 to 20 seconds. Now based on that, the price is going to move up or down. Okay, now let me show you. So this is my exchange file which read the news and there's a flow of the up and down movement based on the news. Okay, now let me close this, just adjust this windows and then I can show you what is happening in the market. So it takes some time to just adjust the window so that we can see all the windows together. Okay, we have now the news, we have now the price. So the price is depend on, you can see the bad news has come, the price is moving down. The good news has come, the price is moving up. So that way it works. The bad news has come. Okay. Okay, the good news has come. And you can check out there. Price is moving higher 2%. Okay, now let me run my algo on this kind of a environment. So the previous environment was not considering any news flow. Now there is a news flow continuing in the market, and let's check how the algo is behaving into this. Okay, let me adjust this window so we can see all the algos together. Okay, long position, it says long position. Let me open all the price action. Okay, so now this is a perfect view. Okay, the worst has come, the market is moving down. Okay, it's still saying go for a long. Okay, now it says go for a short. It says go for a short. Okay, the small drifter. Okay, it says go for a short only. The market is moving down like anything. The bad news has come, so that's why it is predicting very right way. It's predicting very right way. Okay, neutral news has come. Neutral news has come. The price is still moving small movement, but the prediction is still on a downside. Okay, good news has come. Good news has come. Let's see. The price is moving up. So let's see how it's predicting. So if the prices move up, but still it's not predicted because the price has still in a short position. See, small change in the price does not change the actual trend. The actual trend of the market is still negative. You can see the bad news has come. It is predicted before the news. And the short signal is working very beautifully. The short signal market, the algo is predicting go for a short only. Okay, the neutral news still short. It's saying go for a short because the overall trend of the market is on the short side. If two good news back to back come now, then only it is going to change the trend. Otherwise, it says go for a short. Okay, now bad news has come. The algo is predicting go for a short, and we are getting a great profit over here. So the market is falling like anything. and the algo is predicting a right trend on the right side. So now there has to be 2 or 3 good news should come, then only the algo is going to give you the change in the trend. Otherwise, the trend is still on a short side. It works beautifully. The trend predictor works beautifully. Best algo we can say. It's the best algo we can say. Okay. Now the worst news has come. The market is still on a short side. See the how much great profit we are getting. So we have no control over this news flow. We have no control over this. We have control over this prediction. It's predicting very rightly. The trend is still on a short side. The trend is still on a short side. It works. Okay. Again, the worst news has come. We are on a short side and we are getting a great profits. Suppose we have trade on this, we are going to get a very good profit. Okay, the neutral news, the trend is still on a downside. So it has to at least get 2 to 3 good news. Otherwise, it is going to say, okay, it's a short only. Okay, again, the neutral news. Okay, the worst news has come. Okay, the market is going to fall and we are going to get again the good profit. See, the trend is predicted so nicely by the algo. I have created the most difficult environment for the algo. I have created the most difficult environment for the algo and it's predicting very beautifully. Statistically, we can say it works very nicely. So it basically tell you the trend based on the price, not okay. Okay, the best news has come. Still, it is not going to say change the trend because at least we must get 2 to 3 good news. Then only it is possible to change the trend. The market is okay. Worst news has come. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. So whatever the loss has happened, it again come into the profit. So you can see the trend of the market is on the short side. The market is continuously falling only. We have no control over the price. We have only control over our predicted algo. Okay. Neutral news. The signal is still on a short side. It is not going to change the trend with 1 or 2 good news. Okay, the best news has come. So market is going to move up 3%. But still the signal is short because we have got a lot of worse news continuously. So that's why it is not going to change the trend with just small best news. Okay, overall market structure is still on a short side. Okay, one more best news has come. So now it is going to give you the signal as none, or maybe the overall trend it is going to change. Let's check. Still it says go for a short only because there's a continuous bad news has come. So that's why it is not changing overall prediction of short. If you're short on 1000 as a value, still we are in a profit of 40 points. Okay. So neutral news is flowing in the market. The signal is still on a short side. I think one more best news if come na, then only it is going to change the trend. Otherwise, it is not going to change the trend. Trend is on a short side. Let's check what is happening. Okay, the market is neutral. Market behave like this only. It does not change the trend suddenly. Okay, the bad news has come. Our signal is going to work beautifully. After 2 best news also, the prices move 6% up, but the short signal has not changed. Again, the worst news has come. The market is going to fall for sure now. the short is going to work beautifully. See, again, it has not changed the trend. The trend was short only, and the price again moved to 30 points down. Very nicely, the prediction algo is working. It has checked the trend, and the trend is on a short side itself. So I hope this algo is very much clear to you. I would suggest you to work on it as per your requirement. Check it, backtest it, and then only try on a real market. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much for watching this.